And this is outside. Outside look more calmer than inside to me. You see?
I didn't compare this to Antifa. I read something on Twitter. Yeah, all the the Nancys and Karens that are in the page, go somewhere else, please. Go somewhere else, please.
Or if they could, they would take them off-site to another secure location.
Here's a picture of one of the protesters in the Senate chamber sitting in the chair of the presiding officer.
I'll be honest, that looks. Whoa. It doesn't really look patriotic. It looks more like Antifa.
Let me go to you.
I'm just saying.
What have you learned?
Man, then go sit down in the Congress chair.
Greta, the latest, I think the photo that you just probably put on the air from inside the Senate chamber is perhaps the most jarring image we have seen yet. It is, in fact, that the presiding officer's chair has been occupied quite literally.
What? Aaron C. Davis, who's an investigative reporter for the Washington Post, says a source tells me the Defense Department has just denied a request by D.C. officials to deploy the National Guard to the U.S. Capitol. Holy shit! Holy shit!
Black people, them have strength.
That is huge news. That is huge.
Black people, them have
if this is real, this is a Washington Post reporter, so likely he's telling the truth because he wouldn't print anything. This is. I don't think they would make it up because it paints the administration bad. So you would think it would be something that they would publish. A source tells Aaron C. Davis that the Defense Department has just denied a request by D.C. officials to deploy the National Guard to the U.S. Capitol. Fuck, dude. And they're still inside, too. Shit.
This is such a hilarious scene. There's people like huddling